Very good morning, children. Children, today we'll discuss very important topic, that is Lensmaker's formula. This is class 12th physics, and it's a very important topic of chapter ray optics. See, this is a convex lens. The refractive index we have taken is mu2. Here it is mu1. This will be denser medium. Here will be rarer. This is rarer. Here refraction is taking two times. In first time it is from rarer medium to denser medium at this interface, and in second time at this interface refraction is from denser medium to rarer medium. So let us go through the ray diagram and try to make ray diagram related to Lensmaker formula and practice it. Then you will be able to draw. It's very simply, very easily. Okay. So let us see, this is the first surface. This is surface 2. So let us write down refraction at surface S1. It is from R to D. What will be the formula? Mu2 upon V minus mu1 upon U is equals to mu2 minus mu1 upon R. This is the formula that we have to use. Let us substitute the value, putting the values we get. What will get, children? See, mu2 upon V, that is image distance. This surface S1 makes the image of this object which is placed at O is here at I dash. So m I1 will be the image distance for surface number 1. Clear? So V means m I1. What will be the sign of m I1? See, this is just in right side of this convex lens, so the sign will be positive, minus mu1 upon U. U is the object distance, so object distance will be MO. But the sign of object distance, that is MO, is minus. So this minus make this minus plus. So we can write this plus is equals to mu2 minus mu1 upon R. R means radius of curvature for surface S1. Radius of curvature, this is the center of curvature. So MC1 will be the radius of curvature, that is MC1. Suppose this is equation number 1. So this is how we can use refraction through spherical surface. In this case, refraction is from rarer to denser. So from refraction from rarer to denser, we have obtained equation number 1. Similarly, dear students, we can write similarly, refraction at this interface, it is from D to R, that is rarer, denser to rarer. So refraction at surface S2, that is D to R, will be, again you have to use formula for refraction from D to R. So it will be here, in case of refraction from D to R, the refractive index will interchange to each other. I hope you all are familiar. So here it will be mu1 upon V minus mu2 upon U is equals to mu2 minus mu1. Instead of mu2 minus mu1, it will be mu1 minus mu2 upon R. Now again same process, putting the values we get, what will get? See, mu1 upon v. Now this is very important thing that you are supposed to remember, always remember. See, for second surface, that is for surface S2, where is the object? See, this surface S2 makes image at I. This will be the real image. किस इमेज को किस इस for this image where will be the object? Either this or somewhere else. Very good. So for surface S2, this I dash becomes the object for surface S2. इस I dash पर जो भी इमेज बन रहा है उसी इमेज को ये जो है S2 ड्रैग करके I पे ला रहा है. सो फॉर I ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी एट I dash. सो इसको आप ध्यान रखना है. वेरी गुड. सो mu1 upon v means that is image distance. It is very simple. So mi will be the image distance. So the sign of mi will be positive. Mi minus mu2 upon u. U means object distance. ये गलती से मत इसको लेना. I के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट यहां पर होगा. सो mi1 will be the object distance and the sign of mi1 will be positive, and this is equals to mu1 minus mu2 upon r, which are radius of curvature of first surface, that is this one, that is r2 you may say. So firstly we'll write in notation, then we'll substitute the value, that is mc2. What will be the sign of mc2? It will be minus mc2. So this minus makes mu1 minus and mu2 plus. So when we remove this minus, we can write what? mu2 minus mu1. mu2 minus mu1. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now see equation number 1 and equation number 2. Add both the equations. See, mu2 upon mi1, mu2 upon mi1, this is in positive, this is in negative. So after adding they will cancel out to each other. ये cancel होना चाहिए क्योंकि I dash actually it is not a real image. Real image इस ऑब्जेक्ट की कहाँ बन रही है? I पर बन रही है बच्चों. So I dash के टर्म्स को तो कैंसिल होना ही पड़ेगा और यहाँ हो भी रहा है. See, minus mu2 upon mi1, here plus mu2 upon mi1. So after adding they will cancel out to each other. So finally we will get the answer. Okay, so let us write down adding equation 1 and 2, we get what will get, children? See, this equation and this equation, when we add, so this cancel with this. So what is left? What is left here? Very good. So mu1 upon mo here plus again mu1 upon mi is left in LHS and in RHS. mu2 minus mu1 upon mc1, mu2 minus mu1 upon mc2. We can take mu2 minus mu1 common, and what's left in bracket? What is left in bracket, dear students? Let me correct it. This is C2, this is O. So this will be U, this will be R. Okay. So mu2 minus mu1 in bracket 1 upon, this is mc1 plus 1 upon what? mc2. Now again putting the values with proper sign. Again we have to put the values with proper sign. So mu1, mu1 we can take as a common. Mu1 in bracket 1 upon mo. Mo, it will be in minus, so it will be minus u, then plus here mu1 we have taken as a common mi. Mi means plus v, and this is equals to mu2 minus mu1 in bracket 1 upon mc1. mc1, that is equals to r1. See, it will be in plus, plus, here plus, so plus 1 upon mc2. mc2, it will be r2, but the sign of r2 will be minus. So this mu1 can be divided to this. So finally we will get 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equals to mu2 upon mu1 minus 1, and here 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. So further it can be written as 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, it is equals to 1 upon f, and 1 upon f is equals to power. This is equals to mu2 upon mu1 can be written as mu21 minus 1, and in big bracket 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. This is very important equation, and this equation, that is p equals to 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equals to mu2 1 minus 1 in bracket 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. This is the required expression of Lensmaker formula. So thank you very much and God bless you.